Sifunde isiXhosa no-Underpenguin neetshomi zakhe.
I'd like to give a massive shout out to Uaseza Mjayezi, Nolilani Moy for joining our Patreon membership. Your support helps us keep creating isiXhosa content for our little Underpenguin learners. If you'd like to support the work that we do, please join our Patreon and grow with us.
Inkamela, camel. Inkamela, inkamela, camels. Inkamela.
Niqhube kakuhle. Well done. Uyitsho njani ngolwakho ulwimi? How do you say it in your language? Comment below. Ze niphinde nibuye nizokuqhubeka ufunda isiXhosa no-Underpenguin neetshomi zakhe. Don't forget to like and follow. Bye.